Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a very beautiful for kids beautiful greeting card cover with the small hands, or you can say dogs. For that we need some round dies, cooling tool, glue, 35 black, 150 white and 297 yellow strip, one 297 yellow strip, one 150 red strip, and some small strips. So first of all we have to start from the body part of the card. We have to use the tight roll and make it close the size of 20 diagram. Put the glue and keep like that. And for the face we have to make the tight roll, black, white and yellow. We have to make the face of the card. Done. Now we have to make the nose. For that we have to put the 150 strip and 5 round dia, the glue and make the nose. This one for the ears, you have to do steps like this. And cut it, the extra. You did it. Now we have to put the stuff this one here we have to put the nose and 2 legs you have to put down. Now we got our 2 of ducks. Now I have to put on the paper. Done it friends. I hope you learn it and you will do it at home. It's easy to do it at home. And if you like our video friends, please like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that can give it to you the notification of our new video whenever we upload. So until next video friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.